ki khubor ka Batisi TV lawan ra shapi da ka Orange Nissan Lumso pho near Fire Brigade Shillong.
Admissions are open at BDW International School. Enroll now.
Ki kena school but ki nong hikai jong ki school ba pher ki badan hapo ki East Gentia Hills District ki layo lat banye shimbenta ban tip shapang ka Scouts Guides Movement lingba ka 4th Winter Annual Camp and Unit Leaders Training ka balalong ha Saraswati Vidya Mandir ha kashnong kongong ka badan ha East Gentia Hills District. Yagani ka jing ay jing hikai la pinbit pinbyang da ki bor panyay jong ka Bharat Scouts and Guides ka East Gentia Hills District. Kapala sedang nado ke khat hendri terik ubnai no pra arajar arpuai, bat kaban kutpat hado ke khat pra terik ubnai no pra arajar arpuai. Ya ke jingelang le penyai do District Secretary jong ke Meghalaya Bharat Scouts and Guides ke East Gentia Hills District, uba I Shang Peliang, harengkat ke jinge donlang jong District School Education Officer ke East Gentia Hills, uba El Lingdo uba lalong ke Mukongsan, bat ke Subdivisional School Education Officer ke East Gentia Hills District ke Kongpi Dekar. Hagani ka snile shimbentalang di khot jong ke Meghalaya Bharat Scouts and Guides State Headquarters Shillong, tiba kinthop yo State Secretary uba W Lingdo, baru Scout Master u Ediam Yuptho.